Hi guys, today I will be explaining about how to use text-to-speech feature in Clipchamp. This process is simple and easy, and you can see this one is the first interface of my Clipchamp application. And here you can see the option of text-to-speech, and if I click on this option, try it, then it will be open. But what if you did not see it here? Then no need to worry, just tap on the option create a new video. When the project will be open, just take a look on the left side of your computer screen. You will see multiple options. From these, you have to select this option, record and create. Now here on the last, you can see the option of text to speech. Simply tap on it. Here text to speech feature will be open. Here you have to write your script. And on the top, you can see the language plus voiceover. Select the language by clicking on it. All the language which will be here will be shown. And you can also use this feature detect language, then Clipchamp will detect language by itself. You don't need to do it. Once you select your language, this one is the voice model. You can also hear the voice model by tapping on this one, and if I click on it, some more will be open. Write your script and tap on the option preview. Then the text to speech feature will help you in creating your AI voiceover for free. And it was the way by which you can do it in Clipchamp.